Okay, so today I'll give you a quick overview of what's new with the Newbound software. The biggest news is that the user interface is now relatively consistent across the four core apps: the App Manager, Metabot, PeerBot, and SecurityBot. The App Manager and SecurityBot front ends were completely rewritten using our own new UI framework that looks almost, but not entirely, like Material Design Lite, which is what Metabot and PeerBot currently use. The goal is to replace MDL entirely and shave a few megabytes off of our approximately 10 megabyte download size. All the functionality of the original apps was preserved, but now it's a lot more clean and consistent. You'll notice we removed the app tab from the Metabot completely and merged it with the existing app grid on the App Manager. This eliminates some confusion and streamlines the navigation significantly. It also makes the Metabot much more library focused and more like a traditional IDE. The new user interface is now actually just a single control, which you can add to any page, and it will give you the basic building blocks for a modern page layout. Since it's all very simple CSS and a tiny bit of JavaScript, it's super easy to customize or replace as you need. We haven't quite finished porting Metabot and PeerBot over to the new framework yet, but they should look pretty much exactly the same once that's complete. If you haven't tuned in for a while, there are some cool new features in the Metabot to check out. We introduced the Flow language a while back as an alternative to Python and Java, which we've long supported on the back end. Flow is a three-dimensional visual data flow oriented language, which is perfect for agile web development. While it's still in its early developmental stages, the exciting news today is that we have also ported it to the browser side. Now you can attach behaviors to controls in the 3D editor that are written in either JavaScript or Flow. And those behaviors are completely interchangeable. You can call a flow function from JavaScript, for example, and vice versa. The final bit of news today comes from the PeerBot, where we now support UDP connections between devices, in addition to the traditional TCP and relay connections. The new UDP peer-to-peer connection protocol is really stable and supports NAT traversal, so you can connect devices behind different firewalls without using a relay as an intermediary. And that's really it for today's update. I hope you like what you saw, and I hope you download Newbound and give it a try. Thanks.